Hi everybody, it's Mr. Dave, and this is lesson number 4 with flats and sharps and chromatics. So let's begin with a slide here. Here you go. Everybody take a good look at that, please. All right, now you're going to see 2 black notes and 3 black notes. Now in our previous lesson, you should know the names of the white notes: C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Pause and write it down if you have to, okay? All right. And now here's slide 2, everybody. Okay, now you're going to repeat after me. Sharps go up, flats go down. Okay, now let's begin with the previous slide. Now everybody, I want you to repeat after me. All the black notes have 2 names. If you start on C, you go up to C sharp. If you start on D and you go down, it's D flat. Okay, the next black note, D sharp, E flat. Next black note, F sharp, G flat. Next black note, G sharp, A flat. And the last black note, A sharp, B flat. Okay, kids, now quick to the piano. All right, everybody. Now, you're going to start on C. Okay, we all know where C is. It's to the left of the 2 black notes. It's the white note in the middle, and we're going to say middle C. Now, remember, sharps go up. So you go up to the black note, and I want you to say C sharp. So let's just wiggle between those 2 notes. C, C sharp, C sharp. Good, guys. Okay, now, let's take D. That's the next one up, the white note. And you're going to go down. And you're going to call that same note a flat, okay? It's a D flat. It's where it came from. And also the symbols we use, okay? So everybody say D and then D flat. Okay, go back to D and then go up to D sharp. Nice, okay? So if we go to E, all right, everybody play E and go down. That's E flat. All right? Now, believe it or not, we need to talk about the white notes between E and F. There is no black note between E and F, okay? All right, but you can still say E sharp, and that would be an F. So you repeat after me. E sharp is an F, okay? There's E sharp. The other name for E sharp is F. Every note has 2 names, okay, guys? Now let's go backwards. Play your F, and then go down. That's an F flat, or an E. That's correct. Good, guys. Okay, now we're on F. All right, F, everybody. Go up and say F sharp. Let's wiggle. F, F sharp, F, F sharp, F sharp, la, 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 la. That's called a half step. We'll deal with that in a second. Now, you're on F sharp. You could also call it G flat. So go G, and which way do flats go? Down. And it's a G flat. Okay, go back to G, go up, it's a G sharp. Okay, got that? G sharp, everybody. All right, G sharp, G sharp. Okay, the other name for G sharp is A flat, correct. So start on an A, go down, flats go down, A flat. Okay, switch between A flat, A flat, A flat, la, 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 la. Got that? Okay, now A sharp, la, 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 or B flat. Okay, now go B and go down. B flat. And then B. Now, believe it or not, remember the 2 white notes? B, C, B, C, B, C. There's no black notes in between, guys. B sharp is C. C flat is B. And it's a good idea just to repeat things I say, pause, write it down, blah, 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 blah. Okay, now we're going to go back to this. Let's look at this one more time, please. Now, guys, I'm going to say the chromatic scale using sharps only. Okay, let's say it with me. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. Good, guys. All right, now you're going to do the same thing. All right, everybody, we're going to say the chromatic scale in flats. Okay, let's say it together. C, D flat, D, E flat, E, F, G flat, G, A flat, A, B flat, B, C. Okay, to the piano, quick. Now I'm going to use both hands, okay, and we're going to do it on the piano. We're going to say sharps. So it's C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C. Excellent, guys. Okay, use sharps going backwards. This is the chromatic scale. Now, chromatic can also be called half step or minor second. I got to know all these terms, guys. Minor second and half step and chromatic really mean all the same thing. Okay, go backwards using sharps. C, B, A sharp, A sharp, G. Whoops, let's do that again. C, B, A sharp, A, G sharp, G, F sharp, F, E, D sharp, D, C sharp, C. Good, guys. Okay, now we're going to do the same chromatic scale going up, and we're going to name it with flats. Okay, let's say C, D flat, D, E flat, F, no, I'm sorry, that's an E, my bad, F, G flat, G, A flat, A, B flat, B, C. Okay, this is hard. The teacher has to think. Okay, let's all think. We're going to do that again. We're going to go the chromatic scale up, saying it in flats. C, D flat, D, E flat, E, F, G flat, G, A flat, A, B flat, B, C. Good, guys. Backwards, everybody. Ready? Go. C, B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, F, E flat, D flat, C. Fantastic, guys. That's great. Now, guys, this lesson is basically flats and sharps and chromatic. And you should watch it many times till you can just say it along with me and know the terms. Because unless we know the terms, later on it's going to get really hard. And I'm just going to throw terms out there and you got to know them. All right, now we're going to talk about which fingers to use, okay, guys? And there's a certain fingering to the chromatic scale. Now, I call these my little crab pinchers. This is 1 and 3, okay? Poor little crabs, huh? All right, now, in my right hand, that goes thumb, middle finger, thumb, unless there's valleys. Listen to me careful. Start on C. You're going to go 1, 3, 1, 3. Okay, I'm going to call those hills. Remember, 1, 3, 1, 3. Right hand chromatic scale. 1, 3, 1, 3, and then this is a valley. 1, 2, 3. Hills. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm on C sharp. You're going to say it backwards. 3, 2, 1. 3, 1, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 1, 3, 1. Okay, that's enough. This is a little complicated. This is the fingering for the chromatic scale. 1, 3, 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. Backwards. 3, 2, 1. 3, 1, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 1, 3, 1. And when you get faster at it, it goes like this. And so forth. Okay, let's do our left hand, guys. Remember, it's these two, thumb and middle finger, or 3, 2, 1. I'm going to call those valleys. The 3, 1, I'm going to call hills. Here we go. Starting on, we're going to do this a little bit different. In our left hand, I'm going to start on my B flat. Everybody find a B flat way down here. And you're going to start on your third finger. Third finger, guys. So repeat after me. 3, 2, 1. 3, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I ended up on C. Let's do it again, guys. This is chromatic scale, left hand. I'm on my B flat, down low, on my third finger. Okay, listen carefully. 3, 2, 1. 3, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1. I ended up on middle C. I'm going to go backwards. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, going backwards again from middle C, chromatic scale, left hand. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. And when you do it together, it sounds like this, folks. Thank you so much, guys. That was lesson number 4. Rock and roll, do your practicing, take it seriously. Thank you very much, guys. Bye-bye.